The Nakawuka Road project is becoming a reality. From dust, this road will be upgraded to a phase 2 asphalt road. This road links to several rural areas. It can as well work as the alternative road for Entebbe and the alternative road to Masaka via Mpigi. The Uganda National Roads Authority contracted a Chinese firm, China Constructions Commission Company, to run this project, which they have already started and it is going on smoothly. The road project is going to be around 75 kilometers connecting different areas including Mpigi, Entebbe, Sisa and Nakawuka itself and many other areas. This is where I'm at. This is St. Andrew's College, Sanda. And this is exactly where some bush clearing was done. And this is where I'm starting from. This is the road from Sisa, that is around Chisubi, along Entebbe Road, Kariboyo Kasaram. Along Entebbe Road, so you come this other side deep. This road also, when you follow it like this, it takes you up to Nakawuka. So it's a long video. Sorry, it's a long road. Last time I got lost from a different area. It was as well an area leading you somewhere to Nakawuka. So the total distance that is going to be worked upon in this project, according to what I've heard and according to what I've read, is going to be 75 kilometers plus that is going to be worked upon. So this is going to be longer than the Chiraka Sangati Matuga Road project, which is around 33-35 kilometers. So this is where we are. The last time I came here, I've been this way. This entire place was a bush. There was a road linking you to that house, but this was a very thick bush with this eucalyptus. Even somewhere there in front, it was a bush where you see the motorcycle there. So they've started the bush clearing. They did the bush clearing in some parts, and now they are now on the ground. They're clearing the ground. So in one of my previous videos, I got lost from the other side of Kasanje. It is Natete, Kasanje, those other sides. That's where I got lost from. And now I got the right directions. It all leads to the same area. Okay, if from the other side, the next place after Kasanje, I think, is as you head towards Entebbe. But this other time, this is a different place. And where I'm seeing right now, I see something going on. That's why I'm going to be taking you. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, enable the bell button such that every other time I upload something, you won't miss out. Make sure to drop a comment Drop me what you think or where next you want to see on the channel. I'll be bringing you all the updates. I'm here, so I don't really know the kilometers away from Kampala this time. Maybe I'll do some research and I'll be telling you in the subsequent clips. This very video, just do me a favor and like it. You can clearly see there are some works around here. This place was a forest like that one. They cleared everything, the vegetation, and this is how it looks like. So they're going to be clearing here and the other side. So this road is going to be very vital because it connects these rural areas with Kampala and then the Entebbe. So this road as well, when you pass the other side, if you saw the video I've recently posted where I got lost from, yeah, if you follow that road, it can as well work as the alternative route as you're heading to Masaka and Mpigi. So that's how important it is. It can as well be an alternative route for the people coming to Entebbe. So that is how important it is, and it links a lot of people. Chisubi, Chitende, all those people can use this road. So where you're seeing in front there, those are some of the works in the swamp. Also here you can clearly see that is someone's land demarcated. So this is a wetland, and this is what is happening just right here. I've been told that this was entirely water around here. What they did, they got gravel, you can see stones around here, and then put them down, leveled them, then they started putting maram. They're putting soil that can't be penetrated by water. So that's how even some other swamps have been brought to an end by some people. So this is how huge the project is around here. It was entirely papyrus. Hopefully this doesn't affect us in the future, because a lot of them have been spoiled. So it was water like you're seeing there. They just come, pour soil onto the papyrus to make sure that they can, the tractors don't So you can clearly see what they did. They put stones and then added rocks. And then added some soil on the stones. This is how the river looks like. So there is a way. Oh, that is just soil. Under there is water. Even here, that I think it was just here using its bucket to clear like this. How they put those poles, I also don't know. In the middle of water. So today they've worked somewhere there in front. There is, because it rained heavily yesterday, they are trying to fill the gaps. And that's where that truck is coming from. So they are trying to fill the gaps where the water has eroded the soil. I think this river sometimes fills up. You should clearly see this level. If it rains too much, I think it will fill up. For the people from this other side, please tell us what happens. So this is like a route that poured water, it goes like this up to the other side. Maybe time is going to come and they start diverting these people. See the water. So it's 5 p.m. already and they are going back home. Let's see around here. Yeah, I think it's going to be this wide, and this is where they'll be operating, or they'll be doing their things from. Hopefully they don't take longer time this time working on it. You see, it goes like this. And this was entirely a river with papyrus, just like you're seeing there. And they're transforming it. Okay, this is what they do. So look at this person. So you see that wire, it goes down into the swamp. There is another pipe where it passes through. So I think it is either electricity, but no, that is a data cable for information. Because it's these three phases that carry electricity to a transformer, where it is transformed into the one for use, for everyone to use. This one is supposed to be, I think, a data cable. So this one is teaching a woman how to drive. Potato vines covering potatoes. So this one survived the road. The house is not going to be demolished because it's supposed to pass. I see somewhere here on this other side in the swamp. Nice facing, and the house, they're doing the finishing. So by the time the road is done, this person will be very great. The house will be very okay. So that's how people calculate their things. So they're clearing slowly, they'll be at the level they want. So this person benefited because I see they paid for him some soil. So he's making bricks out of the soils. A lot of bricks. He's about to set those ones on fire. But I think these ones also will be ready very soon. Wow. The person saw an opportunity as others were crying. So this is how, I think this is not how wide it's going to be. I think it's going to extend even the other side the more. Yeah. Let's wait. I'll be giving you these updates. Hopefully you will like them. I'll find another time and come, let me say, like after 3 months or 4. You know, you have to keep reminding me in the comment section. I'll be giving you the updates. So that's how small the old road has been. And now they've started widening it. So this person has several pigsties. Those are pigsties with some pigs in. It has not rained. This looks like a pipe was damaged around here. People are now demolishing like these ones. They have demolished their structures because that's where the road is going to be passing. The other person that's going to delay them is going to be the electricity and water. I'm currently finishing up my video here in Sisa. Hopefully you've liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and enable the bell button such that you won't miss out on my subsequent videos. Let me show you the town briefly as I exit towards Kajansi. So most of the structures, look at this water pipe. Most of the structures around here have been demolished because people were compensated, and after compensation, constructions are supposed to go on. So most of the structures which were close to the road have been pushed to the other side. Also this other side up. As I head towards the town, of course some people haven't demolished, but they are supposed to also demolish. Where those shops are, it's where I think they are supposed to be. So people that have land this other side, I think they have started to jubilate. If they are to sell, the price is going to be higher than what they bought. If they are to invest, it's going to be easy for them to access their businesses because the road has been dusty. And yeah, this is where we are. So I've come from that other side. I'm supposed to take on this other side. I'm told this is where the taxis go towards Kajansi. So I'm going to be taking a taxi from here, but I don't know where it's going to come from because I don't see any. Maybe I'm going to be walking, as you never know. I'm ending it here. Make sure to do the needful. I'm out. Peace. Awali ekido waita asente eriyo kido chuma cha polisi waitangayo wanachipira mfano somewhere emyezi giwere nga talabika. awo tusandike nga gundi takyalabika kiki isomero lyeriri erya daylight anembuzo wapota gamba kiki ewa ana bunajjo olaba yatuddo byonona babikuuna nnyo oba wakukiyingira okiyingira nofuna amayumba sigala nga oyongerayo
Nakawuka natin sa kanila.